Culture. Okay. Neha got the 1 point. Okay. Second word is education. 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 Where is the number? Okay, word. Very good. Third word is affection. Affection. Mohan is got the 1 point. Okay. Fourth number is particular. Hey, poverty. The word is poverty. I said to particular. That is a practice. Particular. Very good. Dikshita got the point. Very good. Okay, next word is